Hey everyone, how it's going? So in this video, I'm going to show you how to apply a filter in Capcut PC. So without any further delay, let's get into the video. All right, I've already imported the video we will use in this tutorial. Now let's add the video to the timeline. Then go right here and click on this arrow icon. After that, click on Filter. And here you can see all the filters that you can use in your videos. Let's add this glow effect to the video. And if you want to delete or adjust the filter, go to the right here, click on this, and you can delete the filter by clicking on this dustbin icon. You can also search specific filters if you want. Also, if you click on the filter, then you can see all the filters section by section. That's how you can add a filter in Capcut PC. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions, and if you want to know how to apply transition in Capcut PC, then watch this video. Please make sure you subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching the video.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why